You can't tell people what to do. No one wants to be told what to do. And if you're in sales and you're telling people like, hey, this is what you're going to do and this is how it's going to work, they're going to be like, eh. But if you're getting them thinking by asking the right questions and you're getting them to the point where they're thinking that what needs to be done is their idea, how much easier it is to move forward, because they're like, okay, well, so I'm going to need to send in the offer and I'm going to need to do this and then I'm going to need to do that. And you're like, yep. And it's like,
well, people don't care about what you know until they know you care.
Nailed it.
But people feel that, just like they feel a negative, you're BSing your way through this question. They also feel the authenticity of you saying, no, I really believe this. Whether it's consciously or subconsciously, they're knowing it. And if you're coming from the right place, a place of wanting to help them, it's not really manipulation. You asking these questions, not just to get information, but also to get them thinking.